Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World. Today is a very important day for Indian people because anyone above the age of 18 can register to get a shot of the COVID vaccine. The Covishield and Covaxin from Bharat Biotech are the two vaccines available as of now in India, and anyone above 18 years of age can register from today to get a shot of the vaccine. So the process of registration is very simple, and you can get your COVID vaccination from May onwards. And if you are 18 plus, you can register right now in the website called cowin.gov.in and get a chance to get the COVID vaccine. How do you register? Go to the website cowin.gov.in using your mobile phone browser, or you can use your desktop browser to register there. In the website, if you just open the website cowin.gov.in and then scroll down where you will find a register button. In the register button, enter your mobile number and then you will receive a password or an OTP. So once you enter the OTP, you will be taken to your details page where you can enter your personal details and register using the details of your Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, etc. You will require to have an ID verification there. You need to enter the ID details there. And once you enter the ID details and your year of birth, you will be taken to a page called scheduling your vaccination and your vaccination details. If you have already taken a vaccine, you can download your vaccine certificate and vaccination certificates and other things from that page. But if you are a first time registering for the in the website, you can, after you enter your details, you can schedule a vaccination in your nearby vaccination center. The scheduling option is not 100% foolproof as of now because slots are not available and there are some discrepancies. But once you register, your details will be there in the vaccination database, and you can visit any vaccination center where it will be easier for you to get a vaccine. And the one thing that you need to remember is that the choice of vaccine is not in your hand. It will be dependent on the availability of vaccine that is there in the vaccination center. It can be Covishield or it can be Covaxin. So go ahead and register in the website cowin.gov.in using your mobile phone from your comfort of your home and get the vaccine as soon as possible and be safe. And in the meantime, do not forget to follow the corona protocols or the safety protocols for this COVID situation. So thank you very much, and I hope you will get your vaccine very soon. And do remember to keep in touch through my YouTube videos. Thank you.